friends. This is Dinesh Reddy signing up with Learners Combat.
Today we will discuss about strings. Strings is a character its value can be operated by the string operations. Now we will see a string. We will assume a variable d as a string value Dinesh. D is a type of string. Now we'll see type of D. It will bring class str. Str means is a string. Now we will see the operational strings. Now we will add two strings. We have one string Dinesh and we will take R as Reddy. Now we will add both. D plus R will give us Dinesh Reddy. Now we will multiply means it will copy the number of n times. Now we will see D into we will take 3 and we will type Dinesh 3 times. Dinesh. Now here we will use D of any number means index of a number. We will take it as 4. D as 4 means it here D means 0, I means 1, N is 2, E is 3, S is 4 and H is 5. We have another form. Here H is -1, -2, -3, -4, -5 and -6. Now here D of 4 means it will print S. We will see with minus value with -3 means E will be printed. Okay, now we will see the N1 is to N1 is to N2 means the gap between the means we will take from 0 to 4 means it will print DINES. 4 will not be taken. DINE will be printed. Means from index D, D0, D1, D2 and D3 will be printed. If you did not have any starting means it will default take it as 0. If you did not give any value in the end also it will take as default as the end point and it will print total Dinesh. Now we will see built-in functions. Length of string means length of D will tell means it will count the values 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 letters, so the length of D is 6. Now we will get a string means D dot index of any variable we will take S, then it will print as 4. Okay, now we will use count. D dot count of will count E how many times is repeated. It will take as 1. Here B is means beginning and N means ending point. By default it will take it as 0 to 1 N1. If you want to search from some distance only, then it will be used. We need to use B is equal to some value that way. Now we'll find some value D dot find of apostrophe N will search. It will find the value and send the index. Now is elements. Now we'll see with alpha. Sorry. D dot is alpha. It will print all the letters are in alphabetic, so it will print true. If we use each digit means it will return false. because there is no numbers. If the complete value is number, then it will print a digit. Now we'll see a number 1, 2, 3, 4, and we'll search n dot is digit. It is true because all the numbers. Now these two are both are same. Now we will see is lower means if we enter d dot is lower, it will return to all the numbers here is all are lower digits, so it will print true. If we see d dot is upper, means it will return false because the values are not in lower case. And now we'll make upper d dot upper means it will make all the characters to the uppercase. See here all are Dinesh, but the value did not change for the value of d. See here you can see here. Okay, now we'll see max and minimum. We'll see max of d means it will search for everything and it will return the maximum value, that is yes. S is the biggest letter in the alphabets from 1 to A to Z. We'll see minimum. Minimum of D means Dinesh is here, D is the minimum. Place. First we need to enter Dinesh a string, and now we will replace. We will replace now E as W and print DINWESH. Here R find is also same as find, but it will search. Find will search from the starting, whereas R find will search from backwards. And similar to R index. And we did not see that string dot join. Now we'll see D dot join of. We'll join a string called Reddy. It will join at every point. D Reddy. Here see R Dinesh, E Dinesh, D Dinesh, D Dinesh, and finally Y. It is better to see with a number D dot join of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then you can understand easily. D dot join of it's 1 Dinesh, 2 Dinesh, 3 Dinesh, and 4 Dinesh, 5 Dinesh. Here it will join the string with every values. Okay, I think I am clear.
I think I am clear with my class today. If you have any doubts we will discuss about it in my Telegram channel. This is Dinesh Reddy signing out. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Learners Cobb app.